Okay, welcome everyone to CorelDRAW section 5, and I want to take you through the use of colors. And then actually I opened several pages here. I'm working on page 3 because I've done some lectures on page 2 and page 1. So I'll be working on page 3, but in case I slide back to page 2 to show you some things, don't be confused because I just opened some pages. This is where you click to open the page. When you click here, a new page will pop up. So you can also delete the pages. I think I've shown us that earlier on. So let's proceed. Color is a visual perception created when light reflects off an object and is detected by human eye. So in design, colors communicate mood. They communicate mood, they communicate emotion, meaning, and it is one of the strongest tools in visual communication. So we have different types of colors. We have primary colors, we have secondary colors, and we have tertiary colors. So I've been able to place some bars here. I placed this bar. I believe you can be able to also do that. Once you just hit this rectangular tool, bring up a bar, empty bar. Once you hit that empty bar, you can place any color of your choice by hitting on the color palette, choosing any color from the color palette. So we have red here, we have is blue. I think it's blue from the color palette. It's blue. But if I would have gone for let's proceed. So we have red, blue, and the last one should be red, blue, and yellow. So this is yellow from the color palette. So you can see my 3 primary colors aligned here. These are the 3 primary colors: red, yellow, and blue. So, and then remember also we have secondary colors. Secondary colors are a mixture of our primary colors. Remember, primary colors cannot be mixed, they are original in nature. Then our secondary colors are mixtures of primary colors, which we have here. We have the mixtures of red plus yellow. When you mix red plus yellow, it should give us orange. I think that's what I did here. I mixed a red plus a yellow to give us orange. Let me just do a little mix here. Okay, let me go back to page 3 so that I can have enough space. So red and yellow. And just what you just need to do is maybe you can highlight, just pick a color dropper, pick a color blend rather. It's a color blend. Okay. once you pick your color blend, you drop the color blend at the yellow color and then left click and drag to the red color to get this blend. So you can see that if I want to drop my tool, the shortcut of dropping my tool, instead of going to the tool picker, the shortcut is just hit your space bar and I'll drop my tool. So you can see if I increase this, automatically I've gotten a blend of my red, and yellow. So you can see that the more I increase it, the more you see the blend come out where it's supposed to. Okay. So coming back here, you have, at least you have seen the way we created this now. In order not to waste much time, let me take you through the process of how I created this. Still trying to play with my colors. For those that are in the last sessions, you'll be able to still create that on your own. But let me just run through as fast as possible. Okay, I picked my tool. And this tool now, I will right click to convert it to curves, because you need to convert to curve in order to make any major adjustment on this particular tool. You need to convert to curves. Without converting to curve, you can't reshape your tool to whatever taste you need. So now I'm picking the shape tool after having converted to curves. Just this way. Then this way. So having gotten this, I hit space bar to drop my tool. I want to just duplicate this because I need to produce two separate shapes, which is this and this. And I'll also use this shape also to produce this shape. let's move as fast as possible. Control D. This one. If you watch this X at the middle of, you observe the X, the S control. Ready. So it's pushed, clicked on, so it's a black shape. Wherever I put, that's where it goes. I believe you all understand what's doing here. I had to control D, make sure that I get the settings all fixed. So that's it. This last one, that's one that I can still convert to pause. Really converted to pause, so then let's record it. To close that gap. Yeah, that is it. Right out. Have a comment there. Okay. So this was exactly what I get this particular shape. So the next thing is want to color block out through the press the button color. Remember I told you if you want to shortcuts, space bar. Need to use how to know how to broadcast. Broadcast. Smaller snap. That's my color stance. edit the color style the first time, go back and edit it the second time. Color style like this to not this particular palette. Make it back again. Go to Dockers. Your own color style background might not look like it because I've already worked on what's here. Drag what's here. And now customize the color that you got here. Any formats you want it. Colors, customize. Customize button we have, labels we have, labels accented. Labels colors. Colors. Foundation some simple colors. So that is this particular one. This monochromatic variation of the control color. What they complementary colors. This means this second line you are seeing. Capture it out of the logos colors. This particular. Want to use the graphic colors. Same thing goes for this. This is what we call color blend. Color blend. So if you must use colors in a particular project, let the colors you are using not exceed 3 colors for the master. And if you want to use one color, then you can just use a particular color to create various colors. Like this red now has created all these colors. So you can use all these colors for a particular project. So they are just one color. This is what we call color blend. So you can do on and on and on to do this color wheel. I don't know if time will help us to really go through all of them, do everything, but I want to pick my lips to hold control. So circle, hold control. So that we can have a regular shape. Of it. It's okay. Same this. Once I highlight this, see this particular tools up here. So I'm using tree for the first one. See what tree can do. Okay. But I don't want it to end up in a tree. So this particular one I see here now. This particular one I see here. Was produced. Watch this particular one. Watch this one. Well, see this particular designs. This arrow fall out. Red cap here, and this particular one was produced from this particular page. You have concluded all. You want to check that first of all, click on the color for dashboard. Before you check your put on depends on the object. So let's go. I used the process. Simplify. I want to be simplify like this now. This particular one now. See,
Then there's a like,
yeah,
what is this one?
I use weld. So I want to get a perfect color wheel. Not make sure that I take this one out right, and then once you fill it, just as I did, I filled all this my color patterns here, and then the next thing I'll do is to take an eclipse. When you put to cover this particular area, I cannot finish it because of time. Once you cover this particular area, once you have covered like this, so the next thing to do is highlight. Once you highlight, you see this, the tools will come up again. So, but as well use true. Or let's go back. Let's use simplify. So I use simplify. Get it these points. You'll see. So because of time, I might not be able to figure out the columns, so I can speed up. Before you adjust, please make sure that you put your objects before adjusting. So and still just run all other tabs that we have here to see if you can produce some of the things I came up like this. You can produce it with that. We have intercept, we have weld, we have trim, and the rest you can produce. It's one of these also. So try it out. Then lastly, talking on producing a color with color pen. Now we have these secondary colors here. Have these secondary colors here. Like a mixture of primary colors and secondary colors. So if I want to get a color blend like this, I'll just blend through. Pick your blend through. each tree. So you can still collect them from this tree. I'm getting it here. Let's go back to the second page. To show you something. Let's go. Let's go. Let's have the red. Let's go. I want to have a mixture of red, magenta, orange, yellow, and pink. So to be red. This is the type of blend we are getting here. This is the type of blend we are getting here. It's a blend of this particular tree. So I want to drop my tool now. Space bar. And now the reason why I started this from afresh show you is that you watch this line here. This line can be removed. Same way I removed this one and this one. So you watched when I produced this one, there are no lines because the lines have been removed with the shadow when I did. So that's why I have to start from afresh. So to remove this line, what do I do? Just highlight. Once I highlight it, this outline is outlined this and select none. Perfect. Once you select none, you have gotten a good color pen. That's it. Want to use it as a background or an image, you can also use it as a background. So I think For now, that will be all. So just run your hand on what we have done so far. The images I have done. If you have any question, if you have any challenge, drop it at the comment section. I will reach out to you. Thank you and take care.